Welcome to GCD Tech Education. In this video, we will see how we can write a Python program to add two numbers. Here, we will ask the user to enter two numbers. Then, we will perform the addition operation on those two numbers. And then, we will display the output. Let us ask the user to enter a number and store that value in a variable. Here, let us name our variable as num1. And then take input by using input function. Inside the input function, let us specify a message. Enter the first number. By seeing this message, the user is going to enter a number. Here, we have used input function, and input function returns the number entered by the user as a string. But in this program, we want to add two numbers. For that, we need numbers, not strings. So, we have to convert the number entered by the user from string to number. Now, we can do that by using int here. Now, the input function returns the number in string form, and we are converting it into a number by using int and storing it in our variable num1. Let us do the same for the second number and name the variable as num2. Enter the second number. Now, to add the values of num1 and num2, we will use addition operator. Plus num2. To store the value of addition, we will use another variable. Let us name it as sum. Now, we will display the result of addition. For that, we will use print function. Inside the print function, first we will pass the first number. Then we will display plus then we will pass the second number. Then we will display equal. Then we will display the result that is stored in some variable. Now it is done. Let us save it. Click on File. Click on Save. Let us name it as demo6.py. Click on Save. Let us run this module. To run this module, click on Run. Click on Run Module, or you can press F5. And you can see it is asking us to enter the first number. I'm going to enter 7 here. Enter the second number. I'm going to enter 3 here. And it displays 7 plus 3 equal 10. So this is how you can write a Python program to add two numbers.